This is the Tribology Laboratory at University of Monterrey in Mexico. So this is the equipment that we use. This equipment is made and designed in Poland in the Institute of Sustainable Technologies in Radom, Poland. Basically, here we have equipment for tribology tests in which we can measure mainly two factors: coefficient of friction and wear, and in different friction pairs. So the first one is this machine that is called TO5, and the friction pair is block on ring. So we have two possibilities. The first one is when we want to measure superficial contact. So we have this kind of block and this ring. But in the same machine we can measure linear contact. So this is the block and this is the ring. So in this machine we can control many parameters like kind of materials, load, speed. Also, if we want a lubricated environment, we also can add lubricant in order to test different conditions with different lubricants. And we can measure the coefficient of friction thanks to these load cells and displacement of the friction pair with this device. Also temperature of the contact pair. If we have lubricant, we can also modify the temperature thanks to this resistance. The results are taken up to 96 data per second thanks to this spider and the controller. Also, we have this contact pair in this machine that is called T11. It's mainly for ball on disc and pin on disc. So we can measure the track wear and coefficient of friction thanks to these load cells. One advantage of this machine is that we can also study tribology under the condition of high temperature, up to 350 Celsius. And again, we have the spider in order to get data acquisition up to 96 data per second. And the third tribological machine that we have is this, is called 4-volt test. The model is TO2 universal, and this is the contact pair. We have three stationary balls that are located here, and then the upper ball in the holder, and this ball has a rotation thanks to the motor. All the upper ball receive an applied load thanks to this mechanism. So we can basically here measure 8 different tests of lubricants according to ASTM and DIN and non-standardized tests. Like a complementary equipment, we have a Spectromax and regular optical microscope. So in this lab we can make many tribological investigation, and the most important thing for our community is with very fast technological solutions for industry. Thank you very much. My name is Demófilo Maldonado Cortés from University of Monterrey in Mexico. So, bye.